Hello everyone. Today we learn about pivot table. Pivot table is very useful tool in Excel. With the help of pivot table, you can analyze your data, you can summarize your data, and you can represent your data in a better way. Today I will show you each and every point of the pivot table. So keep watching this video. At the end, you will learn everything about pivot table and you do not have any kind of doubt in your mind. So be there. Let's understand our data. We have sales data of a company. This is region wise data. So in north region, this product, this many quantity, and this much amount we sold. So basically this is sales data. Now let's see how we can create pivot table. So if your boss says like we want to see total sales region wise, then how we can do it? So region wise, he want to see the total sales amount. Okay, so go to the insert tab, click on pivot table from table range. Okay, so here what happened here is Excel will automatically select your data, whatever data you have, that automatically selected over here and it is showing over here. Now Excel suggests, do you want to keep in a new sheet? So I said yes. If we do not want to keep in a new sheet, so we can add it in an existing sheet as well. But here what happened is we already have this much amount of data, so it is better to have our pivot table in a new sheet. Click OK. Okay, so you can see here is this is our pivot table builder. So here you can see this is pivot table and this is the data. Whatever data we have in sheet 1, those data columns, all columns will be available over here. Now we want region wise sales amount, total sales amount. So we put this region in rows, okay, and sale quantity in values. So again, if anything calculation type of column, you need to put in a value here in value part. And if you want to any data which you need to show as a row, so here you put in a rows. There is not any defined rule that you can put your data to see in a rows only. You can put over here in column as well. So what happen is with the help of column, it will show as across, and if you put in a rows, it will show as a downside. So yes, so based on our data and requirement, we can change over here. So what happened here in this table is Excel shows us the total sales amount which we have in region wise. So in central region we have 66 like 82,000. In east region we like 5 like 48,000. Tip. Sometime what happen is by mistake somebody closes this, and how we can recover? This will not recover by its own. So what we'll do is click on this table, go to the pivot table analyze, click on this field list. This will again appear over here. Okay, so now it is just a matter of drag and drop here in this section. So it will create table for you. Yeah, and you can easily add chart over here. See, let's click on pivot chart. Okay, so it will show us the charts, recommended charts. There is a lot of chart available over here, line chart, bar chart. If you want to see how to create chart, I have another video. You can find link in the description. You can check out over there also. Okay, so here it is showing clearly. It is showing that West region has the best sale, best sale. Yes, it is a 8 lakh 30,000. Yeah. Now click OK over here. Okay. So here you can see this west region has a maximum amount of sales. Yeah. If you want to add data over here in this bar, you can go to this plus sign and data label. It will show you the data as well. Okay. Now your boss is saying like we want sales amount as well as total of sales quantity as well. So what we'll do is go to our data, again go to insert, pivot table, from table range, it will select range and new worksheet. Yes, we want in a new worksheet, click OK. Okay, again we will get this builder, put our region in a row. Yes, sales quantity we want. So sales quantity also we need to add. Yeah, now we want to add quantity as well, sum of quantity. So we will add sum of quantity. Yes. So what happened here is it is clearly showing that central region has 141 quantity sales and total amount of this all is 6 lakh 82,000. Okay, this is the our summarized data again. So now we want to add a chart. So go to pivot chart. Yeah, this kind of chart we have right now. So give it okay. Okay, so it is showing like the blue section is sum of quantity and the red section is sum of sales. So it is clearly visible that in central zone we have 141 quantities sold and the total amount is 6 lakh. Now your boss is saying like we want to see zone wise product also. So how which product is sold zone wise? So now we need to add product name as well in here region. Okay, so what happened here is it will analyze and show us the data like in central zone keyboard sold 17, laptop sold 17, monitors 34 and individual total also it will showing over here. And at the end at the top you can see the total of this region as well. So see how this it is very useful to analyze our data. Right. Now if you notice here we have the one small drop down arrow as well. So click on it. So what about this? This is about to filter our data. Let's say we do not want central zone data and click OK. So it will show you only the east, north, west, south. Okay. And if you want only west data, so we unselect all, check only west, click OK. So it will show only one zone data. Yeah, okay, we click select all. Okay, now this filter we can do over here as well, and we can add this any kind of filter over here in this one as well, in this filter section as well. So let's say if we want employee name in this filter, right? So okay, so you can see over here that employee name is appear over here. Select this. Currently all employee is selected. Now we want to see only for Amit Sharma. Let's say how much quantity Amit Sharma sold. Let's say select Amit Sharma. Okay. So now here we can clearly see that Amit Sharma has sold in when he is in a central zone, he sold 3 laptops, 7 tablets. When he was in a north, he sold 15 laptops. When he was in a south, he sold 4 laptops. And when he was in a west, he sold 10 Bluetooth speaker. So you can see how it is very easy to analyze your data. And whenever you change this table, this graph also automatically changes. You can print this graph, you can represent and copy paste in an email. You can do that. Make a screenshot and copy paste in an email and send to anybody who want that. Now I don't want this, so I'll remove this, delete. Okay. I select all employee from here. I select all region. Make sure, yeah. So now I want to see like this product name and zone wise. That's the reverse. So what I'll do is I just drag this and here. So yeah, so it is reverse kind of thing, representation of data. See, now we can see clearly that Bluetooth speaker sold in East 7, Node 3, West. So did you notice that the other one is not came over here, the South? So what happened is in South region, Bluetooth speaker was sold zero, so not sold at all. So this is one kind of representation of data, and you have clearly idea about that. Now somebody says, I don't want this employee name in a filter, so I just drag this and drop it out. Yeah, okay. Now somebody says, I want this region in a filter. Let's add this in a filter one. Yeah. Okay, so all the region will be available in this filter. You can select region from here. Let's say central, click OK. So only central data will be available here. So product keyboard sold in central region 1,39,000 of amount and only 17 quantity is sold. So this is a fake data, so do not go into the detail. So how it is possible that keyboard is so much high cost? So this is only a fake data, so just for representation. So now currently we are learning only for this pivot, how pivot table working and how chart is working based on that. We can add multiple filters as well here in the top. Let's see, we want region wise plus employee name as well. So drag employee name over here, put over here. Yes, so you can see clearly there is a two filters available. So let's say I want to see central region data. Yes, for employee Amit Sharma. Yes, so now what here we get is in central region employee Amit Sharma sold laptop 3, then total amount is 7,700, and tablet he sold 7 one 18,270. So we can clearly see that Amish Sharma in central zone sold 10 amount of products, and the total sales value is 25,992. Now let's see, somebody want to see month wise data, maybe in which month we have maximum sales and in which month we have very less sales. Okay, so first of all we need to put month in a row, so I'll drag this out. I don't want filter as well, I remove this filter. Okay, now I'll add a month here in this row column. Okay, row part. Yes, so here we can see clearly that month wise data in January we sold 66 items and the total amount is 4 lakh 36,000. Now I do not want some quantity as well, so I'll remove it. Yes, so you can clearly see that January this much data sales, this much amount of sales, this much. Now if we need to add a graph, let's add a graph. Go to insert, recommended chart. Okay, yeah. Here you can clearly see that in July and in September we have maximum amount of sales, right? In July and in September we have like approximately 5 lakh rupees of sales. If we want to see, we do not want to see the amount. Let's say here in the place of amount, I want to see like average. So what I'll do is I'll go over here, value field setting. Okay, so all this item available, functionality available. So we can select sum, count, average, max, mean, anything we can select. It will show summary of data here. If you want to see max, let's see max. Okay, okay, so it will show us the maximum value of January, February, March, everything. Okay, that's it for the day. Please like and subscribe this channel. If you have any question, put comment in this. I'll definitely answer you. If you want any kind of resolution, if you want to see any kind of pivot table, any data you have, you tell me in a description. I'll reply you. Thank you for watching.